Hello my friends. Today I'm going to use the Google Sky Map app in order to show you how to find when the moon is going to be in your star sign. If you don't know what your sign is, you can Google it. There are several websites that will help you figure this out. Once you know your sign and get this app, it's easy to find when the moon is going to be in your sign. And this is when you want to perform the anointing of the Chrism Oil. Alright, so when you open the app, it's pretty cool. I use this all the time when I go stargazing with my kids. Wherever you point it, it shows you what you're looking at. Over here on the right, it has this button where you can lock the screen, and then you can manually move it around. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to find out where the moon is currently located. The moon is currently in Virgo. Now you can check against these moon charts on the internet, and you will see that most of them will say that the moon is either in Leo or in Libra, but it currently is in Virgo. So what you want to do is, let's say you are a Taurus, okay? So we're going to come over here to Taurus, and we're going to use the time travel feature in the top right. And we're going to just change the day by 1 day. And what that does is it unlocks the controls on the bottom left, and you can move forward and backward through time. So let's move forward, keeping our eye on Taurus and keeping an eye on when the moon comes into it. Now the feature moves by seconds, minutes, hours, days, weeks, months. So let's move forward here. Okay, we're going by days. So we're going to sit here and watch for the moon to come into Taurus. Alright, here it comes. Okay, stop it. So the 19th is when the moon enters Taurus. It'll be there until the 21st. And it's real simple. That is how you do it, guys. Since I have you on here, I want to show you something else with this time travel feature. A lot of people seem to think that we are in the age of Aquarius. And I'm not sure that they really know what that means. You see, the constellations are a giant clock. And it takes the sun about 2,600 years to go through each constellation, right? And that's how we get 0 on the calendar, right? There's not a real 0, but that's when they say Christ was born. It's not really when Christ was born. What it is when we entered the age of Pisces. I'm going to show you that we are still in the age of Pisces. Alright, so let's just rewind it a little bit more so you can see it when it's on the horizon here. So as you see, right here is the sunrise on the spring equinox. And the sun is still currently in the constellation Pisces. It is moving towards Aquarius, but we are not in Aquarius yet. We still have a ways to go, approximately 600 years. Anyways, that's how you figure it all out, my friends. I love you.